Welcome back to the Harvest to Table Videos channel, where we help you grow your own fresh produce at home. This is Stephen Albert. It's mid-season, and if your tomatoes and peppers are growing strong, now's the time to give them a natural boost. Today, we're going to take a look at 7 simple homemade remedies to help increase fruit set, fight off pests and disease, and keep your plants healthy through harvest. These remedies are time-tested by gardeners and backed by science or strong observation. And by the way, these remedies not only work on peppers and tomatoes, but also on squash, zucchini, cucumbers, and melons. You'll soon see these remedies are simple, safe, affordable, and easy to apply. Let's get started. Our first remedy is aspirin spray for disease defense. This remedy will boost plant immunity and reduce fungal and bacterial infections. The formula is 1 regular strength aspirin crushed and dissolved in 1 gallon of water. You can add a drop of mild dish soap to help the spray stick to leaves and spread out uniformly. You can apply this spray every 2 to 3 weeks early in the morning to avoid sunburn on leaves. Aspirin contains acetylsalicylic acid, which is chemically similar to salicylic acid, a natural hormone plants use to trigger their defense mechanisms. When sprayed on foliage, aspirin can stimulate the plant's systemic acquired resistance, helping it fend off diseases like fungal and bacterial infections. Some gardeners also report improved growth, earlier flowering, and better fruit set. Once again, to make the spray, dissolve 1 regular strength aspirin in 1 gallon of water, optionally adding a drop of mild liquid soap to help it stick to leaves. Spray plants every 2 to 3 weeks in the early morning to avoid sunburn on leaves. While this method can support plant health, it should be used sparingly, as over-application may cause leaf burn or plant stress. Our remedy number 2 is milk spray, fungal fighter. This remedy will prevent powdery mildew and other fungal issues. The formula is 1 part milk to 9 parts water, or a more concentrated 1 part milk to 5 parts water for more active infections. Apply this spray to the tops and undersides of leaves weekly when the leaves are dry. Avoid evening applications to reduce mildew risk. The proteins and microbes in milk help prevent fungal problems like powdery mildew and possibly early blight. It's especially helpful in humid or wet weather. Milk contains natural enzymes, amino acids, and beneficial microbes that can suppress harmful pathogens on plant leaves. Additionally, the proteins in milk may form a protective barrier against fungal spores. Again, the most commonly recommended formula is a 1-to-10 ratio, 1 part milk to 9 parts water, though some gardeners use a slightly stronger mix, up to 1 part milk to 5 parts water, for more severe problems. Use either whole or skim milk, and apply the spray to both the tops and undersides of leaves early in the day, so the solution has time to dry. Reapply every 7 to 14 days, especially in humid or wet conditions where fungal issues are more likely. Our remedy number 3 is banana peel tea, fruit booster. This remedy will boost potassium and phosphorus for plant blooming and fruiting. The formula is: soak chopped banana peels in a jar of water for 2 to 3 days. Then water plants with this banana tea once a week during flowering and early fruiting. Banana peel tea encourages flowering and fruiting in tomatoes and peppers because banana peels are naturally rich in potassium and contain small amounts of phosphorus. Potassium supports overall plant health by regulating water movement, strengthening stems, and helping plants resist disease and environmental stress. It also plays a key role in developing flavorful, well-formed fruit. Phosphorus, though present in smaller amounts in banana peels, is crucial for root development and flower formation. When banana peels are soaked in water for a few days, these nutrients begin to leach into the liquid, creating a mild, plant-available fertilizer. Applying this banana tea to the soil around plants once a week during flowering and fruit set provides a gentle, organic nutrient boost. The tea can help your plants bloom more vigorously and produce more abundant, healthy fruit. Remedy number 4 is fish emulsion, nutrient kick. This remedy will encourage overall plant growth. The formula is pretty simple: 1 tablespoon of fish emulsion per gallon of water. Apply this mix as a soil drench or foliar feed every 2 to 3 weeks. Diluted fish emulsion is made from processed fish. This organic liquid fertilizer is rich in nitrogen, along with essential micronutrients like calcium, magnesium, and trace minerals that support vigorous plant development. Nitrogen promotes leafy growth and helps plants recover their strength after setting early fruit. The additional micronutrients in fish emulsion contribute to strong roots, healthy foliage, and overall resilience. Again, the recipe is: mix 1 tablespoon of fish emulsion per gallon of water and apply it every 2 to 3 weeks as a soil drench around the base of the plant or as a foliar spray for quick absorption through the leaves. This gentle, natural feeding method helps sustain productive growth and prepares plants for a strong second wave of flowering and fruiting later in the season. Remedy number 5 is garlic chili spray for pest repellent. This remedy will repel aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, and other soft-bodied pests. The formula is pretty simple. Blend 1 garlic bulb and 1 hot pepper with 2 cups of water. Strain the mixture and then dilute it with 1 gallon of water. If you want, you can add a drop of dish soap to help the mix stick to leaves. To apply, just spray the leaves in the early morning once a week, or after rain or overhead irrigation. Both garlic and hot peppers contain strong-smelling compounds, allicin in garlic and capsaicin in chili, that irritate and repel pests without harming the plant. Again, to make the spray, blend 1 garlic bulb and 1 hot pepper with 2 cups of water. Then strain the mixture and dilute it with 1 gallon of water. For better leaf coverage and sticking power, you can add a drop of mild dish soap. Spray the solution on both the tops and undersides of leaves early in the morning, ideally once a week or after rain, which can wash the spray away. This homemade remedy not only protects your summer vegetables from insect infestations, but also reduces the need for chemical pesticides, making it a safer option for edible crops and pollinators. Remedy number 6 is compost tea for soil and leaf health. This remedy will boost microbial life in the soil and improve nutrient uptake. Here's the formula. Steep a handful of well-aged compost in 1 to 2 gallons of water for 24 to 48 hours, stirring occasionally. Apply the tea at the base of each plant or use as a foliar spray every 2 to 3 weeks. Compost tea delivers beneficial microbes and nutrients right where your plants need them, on their roots and leaves. Compost tea is a natural tonic for tomatoes, peppers, and other garden plants. The beneficial bacteria and fungi in compost tea can also help suppress harmful pathogens, supporting plant immunity and overall resilience. Again, to make compost tea, simply place a handful of mature compost into 1 to 2 gallons of water and let it steep for 24 to 48 hours, stirring occasionally to aerate the mix. Once brewed, strain the liquid and apply it every 2 to 3 weeks, either by watering it into the soil around the base of your plants or by spraying it directly onto the leaves as a foliar feed. Regular use of compost tea promotes healthier root systems, stronger growth, and more productive plants, all without synthetic fertilizers. Remedy number 7 is eggshell water, calcium boost. This remedy will provide calcium to prevent blossom end rot. Crushed eggshells are a natural and effective way to supply calcium to tomato and pepper plants, helping to prevent the physiological disorder called blossom end rot. Blossom end rot is marked by sunken spots at the blossom end of the fruit. Eggshells are rich in calcium carbonate. A form of calcium, when broken down, becomes available to plants over time. To make eggshell water, dry and crush eggshells. Then steep them in water for a few days to extract the nutrients before straining the liquid. This calcium-infused water can be used to irrigate the base of plants every couple of weeks, providing a gentle, steady supply of calcium. Alternatively, mix crushed eggshells into the soil for slow release of calcium as the shells break down naturally. Using eggshells not only recycles kitchen waste, but also promotes healthy fruit development by reducing the risk of blossom end rot without relying on synthetic chemicals. And there you have it. With just a few pantry staples, you can give your tomatoes, peppers, and other fruiting vegetables the support they need to thrive. Try 1 or 2 of these remedies this week and let me know how your garden responds. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Harvest to Table Videos channel. To get more of my gardening tips, check out the link to my books in the notes below. Thanks for watching today. Until next time, this is Stephen Albert wishing you happy growing. See you in the next video.